Today we're going to be looking at this titanium power supply. You may be asking, what is a titanium power supply? Basically it means it is extremely efficient, basically nearly 96% efficient, which for a power supply is really, really good. Not only that, it's modular, it's PCI Express 5 compatible, and you've got all the other features on there as well, even at overclocking mode, which will turn the 12-volt rails, or all four of them, into basically one massive one, making it a lot better for overclocking, and it's nice looking as well. In the era of top-notch efficiency and performance, the Be Quiet Dark Power 13 series emerges as a marvel of technological advancement. Designed for sophisticated office professionals and enthusiasts seeking unrivaled quality and silence, this power supply series beckons. Boasting an efficiency of up to 95.8% and earning an 80+ titanium certification. Featuring a silent wings fan, it's guaranteed virtually inaudible operation and optimized cooling. With an overclocking key, fully digital control, and comprehensive electrical protections, it's a vanguard in high-end engineering. The packaging maintains the traditional Be Quiet black theme with an image of the product, as well as a marking for its 80+ titanium efficiency. It includes basic information, yet lacks details about cables and connections. A QR code labeled product information leads to the product page, ensuring quick access. Inside you'll find the power supply nestled in foam, plastic cable ties, velcro ties, screws, thumb screws, modular cables, a multi-page manual, mains power lead, and a PCI backplate for toggling overclocking mode. The manual contains cable information and lengths, but a QR code replacement could streamline the experience. Depending on the wattage of the power supply you get, we've got the 750 watt version, but they do go all the way up to 1600 watts. Cables will vary in number and are between 60 centimeters and 70 centimeters to the first connector, and then for cables with multiple connectors you get an extra 15 centimeters between each one, with the longest cable measuring 120 centimeters. All cables are entirely black and nicely braided. The back of the power supply is simple, with a power switch and a connector for mains power. One side features the Be Quiet logo and model number in a shiny mirror finish. The other hosts a standard PSU sticker with specifications. The top is plain metal, and the bottom houses a large, quiet 135mm fan for cooling. We ran a 48-hour test run on our test bench with an Intel i9-13900K CPU and a GeForce 3070 graphics card, and it demonstrated stability and perfect voltage control. For efficiency, obviously it outperformed other rated power supplies like Platinum, Gold and Silver, and held its own against others on the market when we ran around about 600 watts through the power supply. The build quality was very good. It's got a nice weight, good cable construction, and a snug and firm connection fit. It embodies quality. And to show Be Quiet's confidence in the product, they actually give you a 10-year warranty as well. The Be Quiet Dark Power 13 is not just a power supply. It's a symbol of quality, efficiency, and silence. It's catered to office workers, gamers, overclockers and tech-savvy users. The series stands out as an unrivaled competitor in the high-end market, promising long-term satisfaction and serene computing experience.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and know I did. Why not check out one of our other videos by clicking this box up here, or this one just down here. Otherwise, you can give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment below, let us know what you think, and we'll see you next time.